Hey guys, so last time you saw us working on the dual horizontal roller prototype, we had a roller that had multiple wheels running across the top and then a urethane roller on the bottom. We were having some trouble getting the power cube into the intake with this design, so in order to make it better, we decided to change it up and put urethane rollers on both the top and the bottom. Wait, and now, so flip the wires to put black and red, red and black.
That's good.
Alright, so this is our new CNC router. Trying to set it up and see whether or not it's gonna work. Alright guys, so this is the piece that they just finished CNCing. So it's the same Mickey and Minnie that they made out of polycarbonate. They just made it out of, yeah, like thin sheet metal this time. So yeah, CNC works.
Hey, it's even not shifting.
So this is the Pixie that we put on our 2017 Robot Brick 2.0. Alright. So Monik, you want to explain a little bit about the coding that you guys just did?
Yeah, so right now we got it working with the cube. So basically, this is a Pixie, a camera that can can interpret colors. Our end goal here is to track cubes by working all the instruments that we have in here together. Like the wheel's gonna move toward the cube, and then some intake is gonna suck in the cube.
Cool. So yeah, this robot won't be moving right now, but we'll be able to see on the computer whether or not it picks up the cube.
Okay. So here it's just reading the cube. You see that little box called S3. It's basically a signature, S3, and it's just reading it. So like if I were at it should be able to read it up close.
Yep.
It's reading it still.
Yeah.
At a certain distance because of the signature distance that we have.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. So it's still a work in progress.
What are you doing? Okay, so basically what we have to do is we have to prepare these motors to go into the motor mount assembly that we have over there. These are mini Sims, and so basically all we have to do is we have to put this little pin in, right, to stop everything from moving. Then we put this pin. So if basically fits perfectly, this pin here fits perfectly with the hole in this pinion. You just put it, slide it on, and then you slide one of these back on. An easy way to get one of these on is to put it, right, align it up, put a socket that fits right over it, and then tap it. Right, so that gets it in, and then you can just tap it down. Right, and then you want to make sure that one of these is in the little hole thing, which this one appears to be. So yeah, that should work.
We're gonna blog you vlogging.
Alright, and then you guys can do the same thing with this one. So here's this. To assemble these, you just have to mount them to this motor mount. And you see there's two mounting holes on the motor. And you just have to screw bolts in there and then you're done.
The difference between the mini Sims and the Sims, right, is that the mini Sims were designed for FRC, while Sims are adapted for FRC, right? So the thing is that mini Sims are made with ball bearings and make it more efficient, while the Sims, right, have a bushing which are therefore less efficient than the mini Sims, right? So if you ever get into a pushing match with another competition robot during the middle of a match, right, you'll draw less power, which means you won't burn out as much, which makes a lot of problems with that.
Yeah, that's right.